Hi guys, Cook with Maras here. I'm preparing turkey and spaghetti, jollof spaghetti. So come join me. Come. Let me show you. So here I've rinsed the chicken, place it in a neat pot with little water and ready to spice it up. So here are my seasoning cubes. I added my seasoning cubes. Of course, I go for the best seasoning cubes. No, so yeah, I'm putting my seasoning cubes into this turkey. The next thing I'm placing is curry. Okay, I'm placing curry in it. Next thing I'm going for is my chicken seasoning. Yes. The next thing I'm putting now is salt to taste, a little bit salt. Then I added my yaji pepper. This is like a suya pepper, yeah? It gives you that suya taste. So yeah, moving along, I placed the pot with water and then I'm breaking my pasta into the pot. I love breaking my pasta because it's easier, to consume it while it's being broken because I have a toddler and yeah, that's it. So if you notice, I changed the pot because that pot was a little bit smaller. Here is my turkey that I've already placed on the fire after seasoning, and you can see how it's boiling. Yummy. You can actually perceive the aroma from here. So yeah, this is my turkey already spiced. I added onions. You can see how it looks sweet. So yeah, so I'm turning it. I'm trying for let the spices of the water enter the turkey, boil with the seasoning and all, so that it will be tasty. Yes, let's go. So here I'm washing my veggies that I'm using to cook my spaghetti. So yeah, this is the process of washing it. Wash it very well, like very well. Then I rinse my plate. I've started cutting. Like I start with the bell peppers. I start cutting the bell peppers. From the bell peppers, I start cutting the pepper, the tomato. I just started doing the cut. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So I love preparing food, and let me just give you people a small gist. This food I'm preparing is actually a pre-birthday food for my son who is turning 4, and I'm so excited and so happy to cook this food with love because this food has to be tasty, guys. So let's go. I'm still cutting all the veggies, the onions. I'm just feeling myself because I'm preparing my son's pre-birthday meal. What? It has to taste good. Yeah, so we're doing it. We're cutting the onions very well, cutting it with love, and yeah, these are basic. Cutting the chicken hot dog. Yes, I love using hot dog to spice my spaghetti. Here's me cutting carrots. I'm just making sure I cut all the veggies for this sumptuous meal. Like I'm cutting these with love. Like what I'm using is giving it a different shape, right? Yes, that's how I wanted it. So yeah, let's go. We are cutting it with love, cutting all these veggies, making sure that this food, hey, this food must bang. This spaghetti, this pasta must bang. So now the next step, I'm placing my turkey, already boiled spiced turkey, into my oven because I don't fry any longer. I want to live the healthy lifestyle, so I don't do too much frying any longer. So here's me placing my already boiled turkey in my oven, and if you're watch closely, you see that I'm placing that my yaji pepper on them. Like I love this yaji pepper. It gives me like a different taste from normal pepper. Like it gives me that suya vibe, and that is what I want to get from this. So yes, I'm placing it, like rubbing it up and down, turning it over, placing more pepper into this. It must bang. This food must bang. Wow. I'm placing the turkey now into the oven. As you can see, I'm placing it. Like, can you guys see? This turkey is going to come out Mwah. Sweet and banging. Just watch how it goes. I'm checking on every other thing, these are my veggies. Guys, I love using Gino Party Jollof to cook. It gives you the Party Jollof taste. Here is me. I've already placed my hot dog and onions with a little groundnut oil. I want the hot dog to fry a bit because it's fresh. So I want it to fry before I, put other veggies. So here's me, stirring. You can see that the hot dog has changed. The color is now kind of crispy. So I place my yaji suya pepper again into this mix. I added, my little flavors. This one is going to make it red, and I added my seasoning cubes. I turn, stir. Then I put my Party Gino Jollof Pat, my Gino Party Jollof. You people did not tell me that doing a voiceover is actually hard. But guys, let's go. So I'm stirring it. Woo, it's going well. So I heard the oven doing crack. I was like, woo, my turkey is about to get burnt, so this cannot happen. So I flipped it over, so that the next part would also be ready as well. So yes, guys, this is a healthy way of, doing your turkey. Do not fry, do not use excess oil. Yes, so here now, I've added my chicken sauce to this, mix. Added my pepper mix. And it's boiling all together. Like, I love the taste of this food must bang. It must bang, guys. So the next step is, this is already boiling. I started placing my spaghetti in it, my already boiled spaghetti. Okay, you see, I'm turning it. I was turning this thing. It was not giving me the red Party Jollof look I wanted to see. Guys, I had to add my coloring, my onga to it again to give me that little red color. It was not red enough for my eyes. I had to add onga again to make it look like the Party Jollof. So watch me as I add a sprinkle of that spice to it, just a little. Then I stir. You can see I'm stirring, making it to be homogeneous. I'm stirring. And we can see our Party Jollof has actually come to its right senses. Yes, so we stir. We started adding our veg root. I started adding my carrot first of all because carrot is actually strong. So I added it first so that the hot steam will, soften it a little bit. And I started adding other veggies to this mix. Then I started stirring. Yeah, giving it the mix. My spaghetti is about to be ready, guys. This spaghetti mix is about to be ready. Then I said, oh, my turkey is in the oven. I rushed, brought it out, and my turkey is ready. What a bang! The spaghetti is ready. Turkey is ready as well. Wow. I can't get enough of the turkey. Look, can you see how it looks? So sumptuous, so yummy. You can see the peppers. Come on now, look at me, meal.